Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great night, folks. We're halfway through May. It's pretty amazing. May 16th. Wow. Amazing. Don't take anything personally. Transform your life. When you refuse to take things personally, you avoid many upsets in your life. Your feeling of anger, jealousy, and even sadness will simply disappear if you don't take them personally. Easier said than done. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 2, NASDAQ up 20, S&P's flat. Gold contract up $6.70, trading at $12.3670 an ounce. Silver up 21 cents, $16.82 an ounce. Silver finally caught a bid yesterday, caught a bid today. Silver only has 10 more cents, folks, to get in a larger range. You get up to $16.92 and you get some action here. It looks like we are going to get action because we're going to talk about that once we get over to good old King Dollar that got toasted, roasted, get the peanut butter, get the jelly, get the cream cheese, get it all out because guess what? It's going to need it. Copper flat, $2.54 a pound. Light sweet crude down 24 cents, $48.92 a barrel. Now we're going to get the API numbers coming out at 4:30. We'll see where that baby shakes and rakes. Bonds, 10-year note up 3 ticks, 125.17. 30-year bond up 12 ticks, 151.20. We have the Fed saying that they're still going to go up on short-term rates. Next meeting is June 14th. Your probability is 97% they're going to go up. That being said, guess what? They're buying the notes, they're buying the bonds, and the actual bond and note numbers came out last night. And guess who is not only back in the market, but back bigger than they have been in 2 years? That's the China Central Bank as well as the Japanese Central Bank. So bottom line is that they're in there buying our notes, buying our bonds, buying all of the above. King Dollar down 751 ticks. You're at 98.050. King Dollar broke its B point, broke it with volume, broke out the bottom. Monster volume out in King Dollar land out here today. You get a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. First price projection is 96.835, and right now we're at 98.050. The euro is trading at 110, almost 111 to the U.S. dollar. That euro wants to go to 116, folks. It's a fast move already, but I suspect it's going to get even faster. The yen is at 113 flat. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, what do you have? You get a flat market, you're down 22 cents. Bottom line is flat, hanging at the highs. The high we're talking about in the SPYs, 240.32. That was the high generated out on March 1st. We've made it. We made it above it yesterday, closed below it. Made it above today, closed below it. Bottom line, you still got a sideways market. Dow Industrials. Now the Dow has a little bit different story to tell. The Dow has 4 lower highs and 3 lower lows. That's a definition of a downtrend, folks. It's subtle, but bottom line is that it couldn't make it again today. So we'll see where this shakes out as we come into the market tomorrow. NDX 100, NASDAQ Composite, new all-time highs. They just won't stop. The Composite's up $20. Composite's at 61.69. Go higher. NDX 100, same setup. We go first look at the NDX. What you're going to see, NDX right now closed at up $19.50, call it $20, 57.24, and this has been a one-way track. We were at 47.21 6 months ago, so that's quite a move. You got a 1,000-point move in 6 months. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here today. You did 195,000 contracts. You're up $6.70, trading at a price point of $12.36.70. Now, in gold, folks, okay, the number is 12.36.40. Well, now we made it. I'd like to see us get into this with some force tomorrow. What that number is this. When gold broke down, first it came off the highs of 1297, slipped sideways for 4 days, went down a leg, slipped sideways again. Then, within 2 days, you went from 1272, you went sideways the next day, and then we are dealing with the third, which went from 1257 to 1236. That's where we're coming into right now. So I suspect we're going to have to build little cause, get wide price spread, get the accelerated volume in order to get over that part of the supply line, because that's a very large supply line. And it looks that silver is actually going to do the heavy lifting. Silver has been leading the way down, but it looks to me like silver very well could do the heavy lifting, and this is why. Yesterday, silver caught a nice bid. You did 80,000 contracts. You got to 1681. You give it up in price yesterday. You closed at 1641. That's typical of the silver market. But guess what? Bang! Right back up there today. Has the volume to 69,000 contracts. Held the price today. That's saying that we're going into the May 1st level. Now the difference is that the May 1st level in silver does not have the amount of force that gold had on that May 3rd era. We only did 72,000 contracts. So silver can bust into that. Silver gets back inside $16.92. You're in the higher range. You get in the higher range, guess what? You're going to go higher. King dollar. And where I'm going with that, of course, the silver and the metals market is that King dollar is a one-way trade. King dollar had made a high last week. And this, you want to see a counter trend high and a contraction of volume. It has it all in this dollar. So the dollar had come down on 40,000 contracts, did a counter trend bounce last week on 18,000, and then did 31,900 today. It takes out the B point, and not only just takes it out, it has the wide price spread, has the volume, has all of it. Bottom line, you get an ABC structure on the way down. And then on top of that, what we have is that if we take a look and we take the dollar, the continuous dollar contract, what you're going to see is that we were in a consolidation since March of 2015. So you're talking over 2.5 years. You broke out in November. You made it to a price point of 103. You failed on volume, failed on price. Got back inside the range, but you not only got back inside the range, folks, you're getting back inside the range and the thing is thundering down. That's setting up, first off, the 96, 95 area. I expect where we're going to go with this baby, though, is down to 91. If you break 91, the 91 is where we've been lows since 2015. You break 91, guess what? You can be at 80 in a heartbeat. So we have something hanging over us right now inside that dollar. That dollar is getting weaker, not stronger. You stay right there, folks. We come right back.